YouTube. Hello, Street. Nice to meet you, Brett. Hello. Welcome, welcome. You're not content creator. Okay. Yeah, just home, and it's just hello, Sahel Khan. Sahel Khan from where are you? I'm from Philippines originally, but I'm here in California. Kermani, what is it? What do you mean? How about you, Street? How was your New Year? It's just same. Anong ingay na to? Hello, Daddy Wolves. Hello, hello. Kumusta? I like Philippine girls. Oh. Pangwalong tuwad. Thank you so much sa tuwad dyan. Daddy Wolves, thank you so much sa pagbisita, Daddy Wolves. Thank you, Robin. Anong ingay to? Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Kumusta yung New Year mo, Daddy Wolves, with your family? Here it was quiet. No fireworks and everything. It's just me and my husband. That's it. Yeah, it's 2025 already. Happy New Year again. Good night. Sweet dreams. Take care. Thank you so much, Kiara, and you too. Happy New Year and good night. Take care of yourself. Sahel Khan. What is that mean? Where are you from, Jen? I'm from California right now. Zaini Daniel. Hello. Thank you, Daddy Wolf, sa I'm just updating my channel. It's been a while. I tried to do live, but sana all nasa Cali. Eh, nasa ano ka naman, sa Canada ka naman, di ba, Daddy Wolves? I mean, you are from... I'm from Philippines, yes. Zain Daniel. I'm originally from Philippines. Kaya nga, ikaw ba yung magkanta, no, di ba? Sana all. Kakanta ka dito. Well, the accent is Tagalog. Saan sa Pinas? I'm from Leyte. Daddy Wolves. Uy, kakanta ka. Di ba, Daddy Wolves? Kakanta ka? I hope I can, I think. You love my accent? It's so good. Ay. Oh, sa amin hindi maganda. Ano lang, nasa ano kasi, pero meron kaming malapit sa yung Kalangaman Island. Oo nga, no. Paano to?